So I'm driving down 89 South to 44 East trying to pass the Dixie fire because the road's closed. Look who I saw on the side of the road. It's a beacon of hope. It's the Paul Bunyan. Isn't he beautiful? He's got a big old R attached to him. There's his feet. Yep, this is fiberglass. He's awesome. I want one of these. One of these days, I'm going to have one or two. Maybe even 3. Or more. Wow, look at all that. I don't know if that's smoke or if it's rain and smoke. And I don't know, but it's really scary dodging these fires, not knowing what roads are closed. I'm listening to the AM radio. Okay, it's September 18th, 2021. Paul Bunyan / Muffler Man. I call them all Muffler Men.